माननीय श्रीमती प्रियंका चतुर्वेदी जी, concern over gender disparity in access to public utilities.
So thank you so much for allowing me to speak on an important subject. So it is a matter of serious concern that with nearly a decade of Swachh Bharat mission, the disparity in women's access to clean public utilities and conveniences is very prominent. So we have 48% of the country's population, yet clean public toilets have still not been adequate enough and hygienic enough for us to be able to feel comfortable using them, sir. So I speak across political parties. There are women here, women representatives here. When we are campaigning in different constituencies during the elections or for public work, we have faced the challenges to find clean access to toilet. Due to which, sir, we have noticed that women face not just health challenges, not just safety challenges, but also self-respect and dignity, sir. So a recent study was carried out in Mumbai. I come from Mumbai. A recent study was carried out in Mumbai where it was reported that there is only one toilet seat for 752 men and one toilet seat for 1,820 women. Swachh Bharat guideline mandates that there should be one toilet seat for 100 to 400 men, one toilet seat for 100 to 200 women. So it's unfortunate, sir. What usually is found that the toilets are dirty, there are broken locks and doors, lack of running water and adequate lighting, due to which women don't feel safe enough to be using them. It is a huge challenge for women who are working outdoors, like the gig workers, to get access to clean toilet, and women who are forced to beg for alms, sir. So what is also unfortunate is that government, considering government has come up with a scheme and has been taking praises for it, even government offices lack access to toilets for women, for their women employees. Sir, a recent Supreme Court report has highlighted that 20% of the district court complexes in the country lack separate toilets for women. Moreover, only 6% of these toilets meant for women had sanitary pad vending machines. Sir, similar situation is faced at police stations. Allahabad High Court had to step in to remind the police stations that there are women inspectors too, women cops too, who need access to toilets, sir. Sir, it is a matter of grave concern, and through you, sir, I would request the honorable ministers and the government to look at this particular issue with concern. And while women in the Rajya Sabha, I've already highlighted that, I can imagine the 10 times pressure that women in the Lok Sabha face, considering they are working for the people and in their constituencies, sir. Thank you so much for allowing me to raise this question.
Thank you, Priyanka ji. Mani Shri Raghav Chaddha ji, demand to facilitate the entry of Sikh pilgrims for Gurudwara Nanka Sahib in Pakistan.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.